It is good day to be not.
You are.
I'm.
The heaviest.
Yes, I am.
Why is the heaviest?
I don't know.
I think it was.
You are.
Okay.
What's up, you wankers? Who's up for it? Ah, what the bloody hell just happened? The
heaviest.
The heaviest. Correct. So, did you see the murderer?
No, sorry, mate.
I will find him. I will capture him. And no one will ever again.
Now that's nice. Proud of you.
Attention! The heaviest. We know. We don't know.
I will find clues. What's that? A weapon? That thing is why that heavy is.
The heaviest.
Yes.
Move! No! In my medical opinion, that heavy is.
Doc, what happened?
My professional opinion? The heavy was.
Oh, God.
Stop.
I don't think it's anything to worry about. Well, now what?
Oh, come on.
Look at this. The freaking heavies. What do you think of that?
Yes, Scout.
Yeah.
Go home.
Ah, come on! Freaking unbelievable. No, seriously.
Okay, let's get back to the point.
I think heavy is.
The heaviest.
Oh, seriously? Heavy.
It was me.
Oh,
Yes, I did it like this.
That's the joke.
Lads. It was him.
How did
You know,
I didn't.
that was a joke. That's right. It was me.
You monster.
but why?
Because you're fat, boy. And another thing, you're ugly.
Engineer, stop! Engineer, you are so big! He's not funny. Engineer!
Oh, damn it, heavy. Fuck off. You are.
No! You are! You are not big surprise.
Well, that was idiotic. Off to hang myself. Off and left.
I am alive! He's nice. Yes, this is stupid.